The Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is a unique innovation that blends the practicality of mobility with the comfort of a compact, fully functional kitchen. Designed for those who love the freedom of travel and the joy of outdoor cooking, this versatile vehicle offers an ideal solution for adventurers, food enthusiasts, and street vendors alike. With its efficient design, eco-friendly operation, and incredible functionality, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper redefines convenience for life on the go. At the heart of this vehicle is a sturdy tricycle frame, engineered to support the weight of the integrated kitchen unit and storage compartments. The tricycle's lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to pedal, while the wide wheels ensure stability even when stationary. Its simple, human-powered operation is eco-friendly, requiring no fuel, and is perfect for urban environments, campgrounds, and remote areas. The kitchen unit itself is a marvel of compact design. Despite its small footprint, it is equipped with all the essentials needed for cooking and food preparation. The setup includes a gas or electric stove, a small sink with a water storage tank, and a countertop for cutting and mixing. There's also space for a portable refrigerator or cooler to store perishables, ensuring food stays fresh during your adventures. The design prioritizes efficiency, with every inch of space thoughtfully utilized. Storage is another strength of the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper. Below the countertop, you'll find ample compartments for cookware, utensils, and ingredients. Shelves and drawers are designed with locks to secure items while the vehicle is in motion. Some models even include a fold-out pantry for additional storage, making it easy to carry everything you need for a complete meal. The organized layout allows you to pack for extended trips without feeling cluttered. One of the standout features of the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is its foldable design. The kitchen module can be compacted when not in use, reducing its size for easier transportation and storage. When you're ready to cook, the unit expands to reveal the full kitchen setup, complete with a canopy or awning to provide shade and shelter. This pop-up design is ideal for outdoor settings, protecting you from the elements while you prepare meals. For those who love outdoor dining, the camper often comes with foldable tables and chairs that can be easily set up beside the tricycle. This creates a cozy dining space, perfect for enjoying meals surrounded by nature or serving customers in a street food setting. The combination of functionality and portability makes the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper a versatile choice for various needs, from family picnics to entrepreneurial ventures. Eco-conscious adventurers will appreciate the sustainable features of this camper. Many models incorporate solar panels to power small appliances or recharge batteries, reducing reliance on external power sources. The water system is designed to minimize waste, with a graywater tank that can be easily emptied at designated facilities. These features make the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper an environmentally friendly choice for off-grid living. Customization options allow owners to tailor the camper to their specific needs. Whether you're a home chef who wants additional cooking equipment, a vendor needing extra storage for supplies, or an outdoor enthusiast looking to add a small sleeping compartment, the modular design of the camper makes it easy to personalize. Add-ons like LED lighting, Bluetooth speakers, or decorative panels let you make the camper uniquely yours. On the road, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is a joy to use. Its maneuverability allows it to navigate through crowded streets and narrow trails, while the sturdy construction ensures it remains stable even on uneven terrain. The tricycle's ergonomic design makes pedaling easy, and some models include an electric assist motor for added convenience, especially when carrying heavy loads. For entrepreneurs, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper offers an exciting opportunity to create mobile businesses. Street food vendors can use it as a compact food truck, bringing freshly prepared meals to different locations. Its small size and mobility make it an excellent choice for markets, festivals, and community events, allowing you to reach more customers without the overhead of a traditional food truck. The Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. Whether you're exploring new destinations, hosting outdoor gatherings, or starting a small business, this innovative camper provides everything you need to live and work on the go. It combines practicality, sustainability, and creativity in one compact package, making it a game changer for those who value mobility and self-sufficiency. With its clever design and endless possibilities, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper invites you to embrace adventure and creativity. It's a tool for discovery, a platform for culinary expression, and a home away from home, all rolled into one. For those who dream of combining travel with the joys of cooking and community, this camper is the perfect companion for every journey.